What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been vlogging lately, but I've actually been busy, and shout out to the ones that have been ordering our stickers. And actually I have other releases that I haven't showed you guys, but I have posted on the Instagram. If you guys didn't know, we recently released our Iceyyyboyz keychains. I'll take it out right now and show you guys. If you guys didn't see on the Instagram. If you guys aren't following the Instagram, this is our Instagram right down below. Check it out. As of now, we have, I think, 4 colors. So this is red. This is the IB acrylic keychain. It looks pink and orange. Look, see how it looks orange in different lightings, but it's supposed to be red. But it's like red, orangish, pinkish. We also have, let the camera focus, the green, the fluorescent green one. It's pretty cool. We also have the black and the fluorescent yellow. I haven't released these yet, but I will probably tonight. If you guys are interested in the keychains, I'll put the link up here. Well, the link, yeah, that's the link. I'll put the link up here and go to the website and support your boy. Not only do we have the keychains, but we released these keychains probably like 2 weeks ago. And shout out to the homie Zach for actually getting my orders done pretty fast. I released 2 days ago license plate covers. They are pretty freaking sick. It's super clean and simple, just for your guys' license plate covers. This one, for now, I am selling the clear ones, but these are actually like engraved into the acrylic. So that's on the site. And we also have the fluorescent yellow. No one has ordered the fluorescent yellow yet because it's a little bit too much, but which is true. But that's why I started off with the clears, because they're clean and simple. But head to the website and go cop one, guys. But to the ones who ordered the license plate covers like recently, thank you guys for your support, and the keychains too. Just bear with me. I'll try to ship it out as fast as I can, probably next week or the following week. So just bear with me, guys, but I will have your orders out. So I know you guys probably read the title of this this video, and I want to show you guys everything that's been coming in finally. So first on the list is this big ass package. I will open it with you guys, and it's straight from Russia. I don't even know what this is. Also got new wheels, so I wanted to show you guys that too. These wheels, I've actually told VR to build them since March, but since the COVID, the coronavirus, and due to VR moving warehouses, it took a little longer, and they finally got built probably last week or 2 weeks ago. But yeah, I've been looking for these wheels everywhere, and every time I find them, they're either sold out or not. Sorry, I can't breathe. Or they're not chrome. They're either other colors, or they haven't been cut, like the welds haven't been cut yet. But anyways, enough of this talk, but here they are. They are Vienna Craze. They are freaking mirrors, guys. Like, these are my favorite wheels. I don't know if you guys like the big face wheels, but I do. This is going on the wagon, so yeah, it's more VIP, I know, but these are my favorite wheels. And besides the other wheels I'm gonna get in the future, I have to wait on that, because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know. Specs on these are 18 by 10 and 18 by 10 and a half, I believe. Offset is +11 and +8, or it's the other way around, but my buddy from VR actually got them done, and they're 5.5 inch lips and 5-inch lips in the front. So I think this is the 5.5, but these are amazing. I had to take it out and show you guys in the light, but these are gonna look nuts on the wagon. The wagon, this is how the wagon looks like right now. I recently got a alignment for it at 714 tires. Shout out to them, and I got 2 new tires in front. So these wheels are probably gonna be rebuilt and be going on the sedan. There's a whole bunch of shit I need to update you guys with. My wheels, actually, I sold them to the homie Alex, and yeah, they're on his car. Don't worry, she will get love because the kit is here. I need to open that so I can show you guys. There's a lot of shit going on, so sorry. But anyways, these are freaking mirrors. I can see myself in it. Now that we got that out of the way, we are gonna open the kit. She is gonna get redone, don't worry guys. Yeah, I kind of feel bad for her, but I'm gonna drag this out here. Jeez, it's like a dead body. Oh shit, that's not that. I've been waiting for this kit for almost 2 months now. Thanks, coronavirus. And these guys packaged it real good. Shout out to the Russian dudes. Jeez, this thing is huge. So I only got a front bumper and 2 side skirts because I already have a rear lip on there and my bumper is actually really shitty. It's actually cracking if you guys watch my last videos. But shout out to the homie Kyler, like always. He has a junkyard in his backyard. No disrespect, but he has a good rear bumper. Just needs to be painted and no lip, but I should have got the rear lip because I could just put it on. Just like Travis's, but I will open this guy for you. I am not gonna do a time lapse. I'm just gonna open it right now real quick because this is gonna take me a good minute. After 30 minutes of cutting this bitch up, I want to give a big shout out to these Russian dudes because they packaged it super good. Honestly, look, it took me like 30 minutes to just take the bumper out. They packaged it so well. Like 30 boxes just for a bumper and side skirts. So these are your original Vertex sides, but they fit way better. And I got the S Endurance, the Vertex S Endurance front bumper, just like Travis. But hell yeah, I can't wait to put this. This is actually, these two are going on the sedan. So I really can't wait. And then it also comes with canards. Canners, hold on, let me open this. I'm gonna set you guys down. Hopefully you guys don't feel my feet. Woo! This stand's gonna look super sporty after this. Here's one canard. Here's 2. I got 2 canards. Let's see what side this is. This is the left side. Yeah, like that. I'm not gonna take off the sides because I don't want to damage it. But yeah, I was actually tired doing all that. But that's how it would look, guys. If you guys want to know who these guys are, they are like EKB something, but they're the Russian dudes on eBay that will sell you this kit. But yeah, shout out to them. Even though it took them like almost 2 months. But let's see, 3, yeah, so yeah, March 26th. Sorry guys for all the updates. I know it's like a lot to consume, but how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying clean and safe. We'll get through this together, and I just hope you guys are doing good. I also went to JDM West Coast today, and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you guys are missing out. My Instagram's down here. Follow me guys for the latest updates, because if you guys know me, I just lag on the YouTubing, and I used to YouTube every day, but started getting busier on the sites, and orders started piling up, and a lot of people complain about how long it takes. So that's why I've been trying to actually get orders out as quick as I can. But anyways, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that I bought a 1JZ GTE, just like Dallas and Gus. Actually, yesterday we were actually just chilling, and Gus was bugging me to get this 1J because he was about to get it for his IS, because if you guys didn't know, he got a shell, but he was gonna get it for himself, and he was bugging me, and I just got it. So I have a 1J now, and it's at his house because I have no room here, and it's actually gonna go in the sedan, but I don't know when I get all the seals and redo everything. So I think there's gonna be more content, so stay tuned for that, guys. I really do appreciate all the love and support, but this is gonna be, I will be vlogging, I promise you guys for that. I also threw in a OEM Altezza shift knob, just like the original 5 speeds, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I want to know your guys' feedback on the kit. What do you guys think of it? The Vertex and the S Endurance. I actually have the Vertex bumper on the wagon right now, so I'll show you guys that. I'll show you the difference. So the Vertex bumper in general, it has the fog lights, and it's just like very simple. It's still clean, but it doesn't beat the S Endurance, because I just love how it looks. It's just sleek and clean. Even without the canards, it's super clean. That's how Travis runs it right now. But other than that, it's super nice. I'll put it out right now. I'll show you guys right now. That is how it looks. Super clean though. So I just took off the side skirt, all the bubble wrap and all the tape, so I can show you guys. See, it's just like regular Vertex side skirts, but if you guys had the Duraflex before, they actually had like the ones that come out here. But when we fitted Travis's kit, this fitted perfectly with no trimming. So that's why I got these. Here, I'll actually show you the Duraflex ones. So they're black, and they actually go in the hole, like your actual door, and then you put the covers on it. So yeah, this is the old one, all cracked. But yeah, that's the difference. But I had to do some trimming for this one, and these you do not need to trim. They fit perfect. So that's why I got them. And if you guys are wondering who I bought these from, right there, EKB Plastic. But yeah. But anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Those were the updates I wanted to update you guys in for now. So the 1J, I will be vlogging it every single step, and Gus and Dallas will actually be helping me, so because this will be my first motor swap, and I'm pretty excited. So it's gonna hurt my bank account, but it's gonna be fun. But anyways, guys, thanks for coming back to the channel, and thank you guys for all the love and support. It really means a lot. All your orders will be out by next week or the following week. I promise, guys. I am doing my best to get it out as fast as I can. I know everyone's indoors and actually bored as hell, and everyone's just trying to spend their stimulus checks. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for all the love and support. See you guys next time. Deuces.